Exploring GPT-4o, 3 ways it can assist you today. In the realm of artificial intelligence, innovation knows no bounds. Meet GPT-4o, the latest evolution in AI technology designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily tasks with precision and versatility. Imagine a tool that not only understands your needs, but anticipates them, offering solutions and insights in real time. GPT-4o represents a leap forward in AI capability, leveraging advanced algorithms to deliver results that are not just accurate, but tailored to your specific requirements. Join us as we explore the dynamic capabilities of GPT-4o and uncover 3 distinct tasks it excels in today. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Data analysis. Data analysis is a critical function across various industries, enabling organizations to make informed decisions and derive valuable insights from raw data. GPT-4, with its advanced natural language processing capabilities, can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of data analysis processes. Data cleaning and preparation. The initial stage of data analysis often involves dealing with messy, unstructured data. GPT-4 can assist in cleaning and preparing this data, ensuring it is in a usable format. It can automatically detect and correct inconsistencies, such as differing date formats or typos, and fill in missing values by predicting plausible entries based on existing data patterns. This reduces the time analysts spend on mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex aspects of data analysis. Generating insights. Once the data is clean, the next step is to derive meaningful insights. GPT-4 excels in analyzing large data sets to identify trends, patterns, and correlations that might not be immediately apparent. For instance, it can highlight shifts in consumer behavior, emerging market trends, or operational inefficiencies. By providing a comprehensive summary of the data, GPT-4 aids analysts in understanding the broader narrative, thus enabling data-driven decision-making. Moreover, GPT-4 can create visualizations such as graphs and charts, making it easier to interpret and communicate findings. Automating reports. Regular reporting is a cornerstone of effective data analysis, and GPT-4 can automate much of this process. It can generate detailed reports that include textual summaries, key metrics, and visualizations. These reports can be tailored to different stakeholders, ensuring that executives receive high-level summaries while technical teams get detailed analyses. Additionally, GPT-4 can produce dashboards that update in real time, providing ongoing insights as new data comes in. This automation not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and accuracy in reporting. In conclusion, GPT-4's capabilities in data cleaning, insight generation, and report automation make it an invaluable tool for data analysts. By handling routine tasks and providing deep analytical insights, GPT-4 allows analysts to focus on strategic decision-making and problem-solving, ultimately enhancing the overall efficiency and effectiveness of data analysis efforts. Number 2. Customer support agents. Customer support is the front line of any business, playing a crucial role in maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. GPT-4, with its sophisticated language understanding and generation capabilities, can revolutionize customer support operations, enhancing both efficiency and the customer experience. Handling inquiries. One of the most significant ways GPT-4 can assist in customer support is by handling inquiries efficiently. It can manage a large volume of customer interactions simultaneously through chat or email, ensuring prompt responses. GPT-4 can address common questions about products, services, policies, and technical issues by providing accurate and relevant information. This not only reduces the workload for human agents, but also ensures customers receive immediate assistance, improving their overall satisfaction. Personalized responses. A key factor in effective customer support is the ability to provide personalized, context-aware responses. GPT-4 excels in this area by understanding the nuances of customer queries and tailoring its replies accordingly. It can access customer history and preferences to offer solutions that are specific to individual needs. For example, if a customer has previously experienced an issue with a product, GPT-4 can acknowledge this in its response and suggest a more personalized solution. This level of personalization enhances the customer experience, making interactions feel more human and considerate. Escalation and follow-up. Not all customer issues can be resolved by automated systems. GPT-4 can identify when a problem requires escalation to a human agent. It does this by recognizing the complexity or emotional tone of a query that suggests a more hands-on approach is necessary. Once escalated, GPT-4 ensures a smooth transition by summarizing the customer's issue and the steps already taken. Additionally, GPT-4 can handle follow-up communications, keeping track of ongoing issues, and providing updates to customers. This ensures that no query is left unresolved and that customers feel valued and heard throughout the process. Streamlining workflow. GPT-4 can integrate with existing customer support systems to streamline workflows. By automating routine tasks, such as logging interactions, categorizing queries, and managing ticketing systems, GPT-4 allows human agents to focus on more complex and high-value tasks. This improves the overall efficiency of the customer support team, reducing response times and increasing resolution rates. In summary, GPT-4's capabilities in handling inquiries, providing personalized responses, and managing escalation and follow-up processes make it a powerful tool for customer support. By enhancing efficiency and ensuring high-quality interactions, GPT-4 helps businesses deliver exceptional customer service. Number 3. Social media managers. In the dynamic realm of social media, maintaining a consistent and engaging presence is crucial for brand success. GPT-4, with its advanced language generation capabilities, can significantly enhance the role of social media managers by streamlining content creation, fostering audience engagement, and providing valuable analytics. Content creation. One of the primary tasks of social media managers is to create engaging content that resonates with their audience. GPT-4 can assist in generating a variety of content types, including text posts, captions, blog articles, and even scripts for video content. By analyzing trending topics and audience preferences, GPT-4 can suggest relevant content ideas and craft compelling posts that capture attention. This ensures a steady flow of high-quality content, maintaining a consistent and vibrant social media presence. Audience engagement. Engaging with followers is essential for building a loyal community. GPT-4 can help social media managers interact with their audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions in a timely and personalized manner. It can conduct polls, ask questions, and start discussions, fostering a sense of community and boosting engagement rates. By handling these interactions efficiently, GPT-4 ensures that followers feel valued and heard, strengthening their connection to the brand. Analytics and reporting. Understanding the impact of social media activities is crucial for refining strategies and improving performance. GPT-4 can monitor social media metrics, track campaign performance, and generate detailed analytics reports. It can identify trends, measure engagement, and provide insights into audience behavior. These analytics enable social media managers to make data-driven decisions, optimizing their strategies to enhance reach and engagement. In summary, GPT-4's capabilities in content creation, audience engagement, and analytics make it an invaluable asset for social media managers. By automating routine tasks and providing deep insights, GPT-4 allows social media managers to focus on strategic planning and creative endeavors, ultimately elevating their social media presence and effectiveness. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into the amazing capabilities of GPT-4. Whether you're looking to boost your data analysis, supercharge customer support, or elevate your social media game, GPT-4 is here to revolutionize your workflow. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights and tips. Don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or ideas on how you're using GPT-4? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Let's keep the conversation going and explore how AI can transform our everyday work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.